Good day, everyone. I am Ken Christopher E. Francisco from Grade 9 Ricarte, and today I am going to tackle about how one's lifestyle can affect the functioning of the respiratory and circulatory systems. But first, what is the function of these two, and what happens when we are not aware of the possible bad effects that we may get for not taking care of this? Let's find out. Respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues that help you breathe. This system helps your body absorb oxygen from the air so your organs can work. It also cleans waste gases such as carbon dioxide from your blood. This system includes nose and nasal cavity, sinuses, mouth, throat or pharynx, voice box or larynx, windpipe or trachea, diaphragm, lungs, bronchial tubes, bronchioles, air sacs or alveoli, and capillaries. The circulatory system, also called cardiovascular system, is a vital organ system that delivers essential substances to all cells for basic functions to occur. It is a network composed of the heart as a centralized pump, blood vessels that distribute blood throughout the body, and the blood itself. For transportations of different substances, it transports gases, nutrients, electrolytes, weights, and hormones. The respiratory and circulatory systems bring oxygen and nutrients to the cells. They work together to maintain homeostasis. But what is homeostasis? It is the ability to maintain a relatively stable internal state that persists despite changes in the world outside. Humans rely on homeostasis to keep their core temperature hovering around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit so that their bodies can maintain proper function. Now that you know how important are respiratory and circulatory systems, do you ever wonder what activities or lifestyle that you have that affects this? Do you know how to take care of these systems for you to avoid certain diseases? Some millennials and Gen Z nowadays don't even care about their health safety. What's important for them is to satisfy their entertainment needs, habits, and cravings without thinking how it may affect their respiratory and circulatory systems. For example, sitting all day because of watching Netflix series, playing mobile or computer games, or even browsing on social media platforms may affect this system because of lack of body movements. Our blood may not circulate well because it requires exercise to improve blood circulation and to maintain healthy heart. Another example is smoking. Maybe some of our family members, neighbors, and friends do smoking. Little did they know that smoking has a huge effect on our respiratory system. It causes irritation of the trachea and larynx, reduced lung function and breathlessness due to swelling and narrowing of the lung airways and excess mucus in the lung passages. Cigarette smoking can also be very damaging to your circulation system because the tar in cigarettes contain harmful chemicals. Your bloodstream is infected by them when you smoke. Most of our family members, especially our dads and uncles, having a good time while drinking alcohol. But alcohol is hard on the heart. It can trigger chronic heart conditions and ongoing problems with blood pressure, which can lead to hormonal problems or stroke. It can even put you at risk of a heart attack. When your heart and the rest of the circulatory system aren't working properly, your body is affected. Another thing is eating unhealthy foods like junk foods. Most clinicians recognize that junk food consumption is associated with premature heart disease. The general consensus is that this relationship can be explained by the saturated fats in these foods, increasing obesity, diabetes, and the high salt content raising blood pressure. While most of our first examples of lifestyles can cause bad effects in our respiratory and circulatory system, there are still people out there who have lifestyles that have good effects on these systems. Some are going to the gym doing exercise regularly, People who exercise regularly have a much lower chance of developing serious heart disease and vascular disease. Regular exercise helps to prevent chronic lung disease. It improves your lungs capacity and increases the blood flow to your lungs, allowing the lungs to deliver more oxygen into the blood. Other people are doing good and maintaining healthy diet. Healthy eating can reduce your risk of heart disease. It lowers the blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. It prevents blood clots that can lead to heart attack and stroke, and it keeps the body weight in the healthy range. Lifestyle affects our respiratory and circulatory system. I strongly suggest everyone to have a healthy lifestyle through constant exercise and diet because it greatly affects the functioning of these systems by ensuring that the blood gets enough oxygen and ensuring that enough carbon dioxide is released. We also need to bear in our minds that having a healthy body can prevent diseases and make our brain in a very good state. Always remember, health is wealth. And that ends the video. Again, I am Ken Christopher E. Francisco. Thank you and have a great day. 우리가 만들 love scenario